think I spend about 75% of my time waiting for BREE to finish her makeup.
Hurry.
Hold on tight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 5 of the Haole vlog. Today we're gonna go see a movie. We're going to see, what movie are we gonna go see? The Clock House. No, I think it's, what is it? The house with the clock on the wall or something? I don't know. The house with the clock in its walls. Something like that. I don't know, but it has Jack Black. Also, the Red Sox clinched the division last night, so I got a rep.
Excited to watch a spooky movie since Halloween is coming.
This is a nice theater. Okay, I don't want to get put in prison, so I'm gonna put the camera away. So we just got out of a house with the clock in the walls.
In its walls.
Is that what I said?
No.
A house. They should have picked a harder title.
The house with a clock in its walls.
What did I say?
It's not that.
Okay. I thought it was really good. It's kind of a kids movie, but it's pretty scary. I mean, for a kids movie. But yeah. I thought it was pretty good. So the Red Sox are getting their asses kicked. So we're gonna go to the beach instead.
We're at Waikiki Beach and it is hot as nuts out here. And I'm under an umbrella. But that's because I'm on medicine and I can't be in the sun and just watch Netflix on the beach. And I didn't want to get in the water because I ate a whole bowl of spaghetti. So my belly's really full, so I wasn't really beach bod ready.
You're not gonna let me use a single second of that. This beach is busy all the time. There's just people everywhere. But it's only about a 2 or 3 minute walk from our apartment, so I think it'll do. So we've been super busy this week with school and homework and all that stuff, but it's finally Saturday. It's the weekend, so we're gonna go up to the North Shore. And we haven't shown you guys much of the North Shore yet. The North Shore is a lot more local and relaxed and chill. It's really got more of the Hawaii vibes, you know? Not all the big city skyscrapers and all that crazy stuff like we have down in Honolulu. And it's about an hour drive from where we live, but it's well worth the drive. So we'll go up there and we'll go to some beaches, walk around, do some cool stuff. So it should be fun. So we actually decided to make a pit stop at the Dole Plantation. I think when you come here you can do like full tours and there's like a giant pineapple maze and stuff, but we're just gonna stop in and get a Dole Whip. That is good.
Ooh, it's really pineapple.
It's so good. It's like if pineapple were turned into frozen yogurt, ice cream. I don't know, but it's good.
It's so weird. It's so smooth.
So we're up on the North Shore. This place is sick. This place is much different than Honolulu.
This is
It's
our
just-
favorite beach on the island.
Well, so far. So far our favorite, but we got a lot of beaches to explore.
So we just got done at Waimea Bay, and now we're headed to Haole to get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the football game later. So yeah. Nuts.
So we are in this cool little town called Haole on the North Shore. And I think we're gonna go, there's a big group of food trucks, so I think we're gonna go down there and see what they got. Maybe get some fish tacos or something. Bree wants mac and cheese.
My favorite
We
food.
come to Hawaii and all she wants to eat is mac and cheese. So we're gonna go find mac and cheese. So we didn't find Bree any mac and cheese, but instead she got some shave ice stuff.
Yeah.
It's like shave ice mixed with ice cream.
This is snow. It's like nothing you've ever had before. It's so good. This is lihing mui flavor, and I got passion fruit boba balls. I don't even know. Look at how cool that looks.
And I had some delicious
Disgusting.
ahi fish
I got the
tacos.
same thing.
So we were gonna go to the football game, but we decided not to. So instead, we're gonna go out to a nice dinner, and we'll see you guys next week. Snack it.
My hand was there.
Now,